Welcome back. We are going to tackle hard-boiled eggs and how to make them perfect. Perfect hard-boiled eggs, the easy way. Hard-boiled eggs. Sounds simple, right? Just toss them in water and boil for 10 minutes. Well, not so fast. That method sometimes works, but more often than not, you end up with cracked shells, hard-to-peel eggs, or that dreaded grayish-green yolk. Or hard to peel with nothing but a mess. You don't want them to come out like this. But don't worry, I've got a foolproof, time-tested way to get perfect hard-boiled eggs every single time. Step 1, let's get started. Grab 6 eggs and let them sit on the counter for 30 minutes to reach room temperature. Boil the water without the eggs. Example, use a pot large enough so the eggs have space. Example, fill it with enough water to fully cover the eggs once they're in. Then remove the eggs. Bring the water to a full boil first, but don't add the eggs yet. Let's take just a second for a fun trivia question. Ready? What is the primary reason for the greenish-gray ring that sometimes forms around the yolk of a hard-boiled egg? A. Overcooking the egg. B. Using old eggs. C. Boiling the eggs in salt water. D. Storing the eggs in the refrigerator for too long. Do you know? If not, give it your best guess. The answer is at the end of the video. Now let's move on to our perfect hard-boiled egg tips. Reduce the heat to a gentle boil. Add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This helps make peeling a breeze. Now, using a slotted spoon, easily lower the eggs into the boiling water. Now for the cook time. Set a timer for 8 minutes and let them cook. While waiting, prepare a large bowl of ice water for the eggs once they're done. Ice bath makes for easy peeling. When the timer goes off, turn off the heat and let the eggs sit in the hot water for 2 more minutes. Once the eggs are finished cooking, transfer them from the pot to the ice bath. Using a spoon or a slotted spoon, place them in the ice bath. This stops the cooking process and helps loosen the shells for easy peeling. Let them chill for 10 minutes. The perfect peel. Tap each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell. Peel under slow-running lukewarm water if needed to loosen shell. Make sure to get under the inner membrane. The shell will slide right off. Now just store and enjoy a healthy snack when you want. Wrap the peeled eggs in paper towels, place them in a bowl, and cover with plastic wrap. Keep them in the fridge for quick snacks. Trust me, they won't last long. You can leave them peeled until ready to use if you like. However, peeling ahead of time makes for a quicker snack and easier peeling. Making eggs for decorating? Just skip the peeling step. And there you have it, perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. Oh, and here's the answer to the trivia question. See if you had the correct answer. The answer is A, overcooking. Boiling eggs too long makes the yolk turn to a shade of gray. So, give this method a try and let me know how it works for you. Check out my other videos about eggs. Bye for now. See you in the next video.